You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited to check out another Christmas 2024 item, depending on when you're watching this. Could be 10 years from now. But this is what was on the shelves in 2024. They are the Dunkin Hot Chocolate Bombs. I have them in 3 flavors. The Dunkaccino, which is a white box, 3 open windows, and then orange font all the way around it. And then the original, which is the same type of box, but it's a pinkish color in the font, except for the word Dunkin. The Dunkin is always orange on all 3. The last one is the Hot Chocolate Bomb Mint, which has green writing all around it. And then through the windows you could see there's a foil wrap chocolate bomb inside. They're all the same instructions. It says unwrap the bomb and place in the mug. Pour 6 ounces of hot milk slowly over the bomb and watch it dissolve. Stir until evenly mixed. Sip and enjoy. There's nutritional information for all 3. So I need to get the pot, the milk, measuring cup, the cups, the spoons, to make all 3, and then we'll see what they're like. This one says made with Belgian chocolate, includes mini marshmallows. Let's see if they all say that. The original one says made with Belgian chocolate, includes mini marshmallows. And the mint one says the same thing on the top. And then there are little snowflakes. So I got this in the Christmas aisle. I guess you could say it's winter themed. It's not Christmas themed. They're winter themed with the little snowflakes around it. Either way, they are from Frankfurt Chocolate or Frankfurt Candies. Trademark and logos of Dunkin. Just says Frankfurt. FrankfurtCandy.com. All right, let me get everything I need and let's get started. Okay, first things first, the milk. Sniff it. Smells good. Now, I'm in a quandary about the cups because they need to be probably smaller standard coffee cups. There's 12 ounces. Let's do 6 more. Okay. Remember the last bombs I did, and I did them in a flat bowl, and it wasn't enough to cover them. So what am I going to do? I have these mugs, which I've used before, but they're very big. So the surface area is not going to cover the bomb. And then I have these taller, skinnier glasses, which would fit really nice in there probably. And they're very shallow, and they're clear. Not having clear would defeat the purpose. I want to see it melt. So I might use these. I have 3 of these. But let's move this out of the way. Let's get the lid on this. This goes on a certain way. There we go. Let's get that going. Okay, let's check out the bombs. Let's start with this one on the end. Mint. Okay, so they have a plastic covering around them. It's a safety packaging. There is the mint. And then the regular, original. They're a decent size. Probably 3 inches across. And then the last one is the Dunkaccino. And they're kind of in the foil that the foil would be for Hershey Kisses kind of foil. Very thin, light foil. Oh, the milk is bubbling. I'm just going to leave the lid off. Okay. And then let me just take this one out. Yeah, I'll do the peel up here for the first one. Ooh, what a nice peel. So I don't want to mix them up. I want to remember what I'm doing here. Here's the second one. Ooh, it's got a hole in it. I hear the little marshmallows. And then the third one, mint. Yes, it does smell like mint. Okay, now. So if I put it in a glass like this, and I drop it in, I'm for sure going to get the surface area covered. If I put it in something like this, it's really dispersed. Ooh, cool. So will 6 ounces cover it? I don't know. Now for presentation, yeah, I'd rather have a coffee cup, right? These are the things you think about as you're making a video. And you're probably saying to yourself, yeah, it should be a coffee cup because that is what Dunkin' is all about. So there we go. 3 cups. 1, 2, and 3. Mint. Original. And then the Dunkaccino. Alright, let's check the milk. Give it a little taste to see. It's lukewarm, so I'm going to turn up the heat. And I'll come back and check in just a little bit. I'll get this set up real nice, maybe this way, so the mugs could be closer together. And then I could pour in the milk. 1, 2, 3, and then we could watch them. Or do you do one at a time? Do you do just one? Or do all of them? Maybe I'll just do the first one, see how it looks, and I'll make sure it does what I want it to so we get a cool effect, unlike the last time I did these. So I'll be back. All right, so the milk is doing pretty good. I'd say it's pretty hot. I didn't check the temperature. I remember one year I was going to a specific temperature based on what Google said should be the hottest the milk should be for a hot chocolate. It was 160, I believe. So that's 156. I would say that's pretty close. I don't feel anything sticking to the bottom. I've been stirring continuously. Although I feel something going on there on that side. Alright, so let's turn the heat down. So I have different spoons for each one. You see, I have orange. Ooh, let me bring you back here because I'm going to pour the orange. I have green. And then I have the red. So let's do the orange first. Well, let's do the one in the middle. How's that? Let's get these out of the way. We'll do one at a time instead of me trying to do all 3. See what I'm saying about the glass? That was probably 1/3 of the milk. Ooh, ooh, it's already soft and mushy. Let's give it a little more. Alright, that's 6 ounces approximately. There we go. Okay, so it's already dissolved. Nice. Nice size marshmallows just popped out. That's good. It's turned into a off-white chocolatey color. And now I'm just mixing feverishly. Right now I'm looking at the original flavor bomb. It's definitely hot enough, the milk. Okay, mix good. Yes. Could always be better, but let's see. I think we got it. How about we taste it? I swallowed the marshmallows whole. Chewed on one, swallowed the other one. That's very tasty. I like that one. Let us try this one. But what I'm going to do is just double check on the 6 ounces. Okay. So that was the first one. Here is the second one. Slowly pour over. It's split. I'm happy with the marshmallow size. It's not those really dinky ones. And there's quite a few. I think the one I did that failed in the video, there weren't many marshmallows in it. It was not like this. This is a good quantity. There's at least, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 marshmallows in that one. And it's a little darker, different shade of brown, just slightly. Hard to tell now because the marshmallows are. Actually, in this one here, the marshmallows have melted, so that probably changed the color. Just a different shade of brown, I would say. All right, let us taste this one. Dunkaccino. Ooh, so it does have a coffee flavor to it. Is that what they're going for? Like a mochaccino? I think I like that one the best so far out of the two. And I just ate a bunch of marshmallows. Let's heat this up again. Let's bring this one in. This is 6 ounces. It's a little more. Well, I was a little short on the first one. I'm going to pour it back in here. Get it nice and hot. Alright, so generally speaking, I really enjoyed the second one. They do have a different color to them. But now they're slowly merging into one color. So you can kind of see the difference. It's just a slight difference in color. But both very tasty. That's why I got colored spoons, so now I know which is which and I wouldn't get sidetracked. Alright, so I'm reheating this. I'm still here on this side doing this. It's been sitting, so I want to get it hot again. 138, see? I feel it's getting hot fast. 156, okay. Oh, I turned it to high. Don't do that. Alright, here we go. The last one. The mint. Let me see if I can get you straight in there. Like that. Alright, and then the pour. The perfect pour, I would say. That did exactly what I wanted it to do. I would say there's at least 16 marshmallows in this one. There's a straggle over there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I think 17. That melted the best. That real slow pour. Here we go. Let us give it a taste. Which do you think you would like the most? Ooh, it's like a mint ice cream. That's a tough one. That's one that I think I would enjoy. I did like... Well, I don't know. I like all three, okay? I don't know how else to say it. All three are good. 1, 2, and 3. Which you think you would like? I don't know. I mean, are you a mint fan? If I had a choice between mint ice cream and another ice cream, I'd probably not pick mint. Now, mint chocolate chip, I do like that. And I think generally speaking, it's actually a nice bomb. I've done a bunch of these, so a lot of times they just fake. They taste too artificial. These aren't that bad. Ah, that warms the insides, and that's when you have a nice hot chocolate. So there you go, the Dunkin Hot Chocolate Bombs in 3 flavors. Let me know what you think. I'm always open for discussion, and thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.